what we got. One more. And the last one. That's what we got. We got Daha. Today, Johannesburg stands not as a city, but as a signal. From the streets of Soweto to the townships across this country, something powerful is happening.
8 years of no plant limits and no dacha limits. So let me ask you, where are all the harms?
Cannabis has always been more than that. It is medicine. It is a spiritual tool. It is an agricultural resource, an economic opportunity, and it is cultural heritage.
We must be honest with ourselves. Progress has not been equal. While some have access to capital, licenses, global markets, many, especially rural growers, township entrepreneurs and legacy farmers are still standing on the side, on the outside, looking at an industry built on their knowledge.
Fake licenses to trade are being sold every day in this country. There is an abuse of patient access and script mills on every corner. Fake dispensaries being used to trade in far more than just cannabis. A constitutional right to adult use with no legal access other than growing your own.
Correctly.
While lobbyists...
If indigenous people are not educated, if they are not empowered, if they are not organized, then we will once again be extracted from, studied, and worse, excluded from all forms of economic participation.
Jehovah, I break your bones, I'm on my back. Oh, yeah, my time. Soon better than Tandazo, Losi, Samba Nabu Mamo, Kobela Makawi, Fage Manzino, Sebenza Tandazo, Spring Alicia bushes for this, Tosha Matabati. Kaula se M, Pastelines to Pagati. Kaula se M, Pastelines to Pagati. Kaula se